Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we will create a very high quality do follow web 2.0 backlink. So the website name is carrd.co. You can see this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 90 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 86 and the spam score is only 3%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 16.2 million traffic and the mostly traffic from USA, Philippines, UK, Indonesia, Canada. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, so must you guys can create your backlink on this site. And now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see this is a website dashboard. So simply you guys can click on the choose start point button, and after that there you guys can choose your template. You can choose your template according to your requirement. So which template is perfect for your business or your services? Select the blank template. There I can go to add company name DML. DML training, and after that, so this is a text box, and what I can do next, so there I can go to add image, and you guys can drag it. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Your image box, and after that you can upload your image, brand image, and after that we can add a short description. So there I can go to add a short description. So I have added a short description. But the your case, if you're wanting to add anything in this content, so simply you guys can click on the plus button. There is a multiple option. You can add a text, image, video, audio, gallery, or any kind of divider, table, the links button, and the list. So there are multiple options. To using this, you guys can create a very responsive web 2.0 backlink on this site. So simply I can ignore all the things because right now I don't have content. So using these things you guys can create a responsive web 2.0 backlink. So last things I can go to add a button. So there I can insert button name is best digital marketing services, and there I can go to add our website URL. So I have added a button, and simply you can click on the done button, and after that once you guys can complete all the things, then after that you can click on this section. There is a publish button. You can click over there. After that you guys can fill your all the details, all your profile details. So there you guys can add your company name or the person name, and there you can fill your email address, and you can choose your password. You can acknowledge the terms and conditions. There you can add your title. So your title is a digital marketing. Digital marketing services, and there you guys can add a short description about your company. So let me add this one, and after that there you guys can add your company name, company username. So DML training, and after that we can check if is this available. So you can click on the publish button. after that, this site can send you a verification email. So you guys can check your email box. So I received, and simply you can click on this link and you can click on the verify account button, and you will see this is your web 2.0 landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow profile web 2.0 backlink on the carrot.co. So this is a process for the web 2.0 creation on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.